The tech world never sleeps, and the anticipation is already building for Apple's next flagship, the iPhone 16. But with a still powerful iPhone 15 readily available in mid-2025, the question on everyone's mind is, which one should you buy? Let's dive into a full comparison to help you decide. Starting with design and build, the iPhone 15 introduced the dynamic island across all models and a shift to USB-C. While concrete details on the iPhone 16 are still emerging, expect subtle refinements. Will we see a further reduction in bezels? Perhaps new material choices? Early whispers suggest a potential redesign of the camera bump and possibly even solid-state buttons. The iPhone 15 offers a sleek and modern aesthetic, but the iPhone 16 could bring subtle yet significant improvements to the in-hand feel and overall look. When it comes to display, the iPhone 15 boasts vibrant Super Retina XDR displays with excellent brightness and color accuracy. For the iPhone 16, we might see further advancements in display technology. Could we see brighter panels, even more refined promotion technology on all models, or perhaps even a slight increase in screen sizes? While the iPhone 15's display is undoubtedly impressive, the iPhone 16 has the potential to offer an even more immersive visual experience. Under the hood, the iPhone 15 is powered by the A16 Bionic chip in the standard models and the A17 Pro in the Pro variants, delivering blazing fast performance for everyday tasks and demanding applications. The iPhone 16 is expected to feature Apple's next generation silicon, likely the A18 or A18 Pro chip. This will undoubtedly bring further performance enhancements, leading to even smoother multitasking, faster graphics rendering for gaming, and improved efficiency for battery life. If raw power and future-proofing are top priorities, the iPhone 16 will likely have the edge. Photography is a key aspect for many iPhone users. The iPhone 15 brought improvements to its main camera and introduced photonic imaging across the lineup for enhanced low-light performance. For the iPhone 16, expect further adjustments in camera technology. Rumors suggest potential upgrades to sensor sizes, lens designs, and perhaps even new computational photography features. If camera capabilities are paramount, waiting for the iPhone 16 could yield noticeable improvements in image and video quality. Battery life on the iPhone 15 is generally considered solid. The iPhone 16 could see further optimizations in battery efficiency thanks to the new chip and potentially slightly larger battery capacities. Expect both models to offer all the standard iPhone features like 5G connectivity, excellent software integration with iOS, and a robust ecosystem of apps and services. However, the iPhone 16 might introduce new software features exclusive to its hardware. Consider the iPhone 15 if you need a fantastic smartphone right now and want to take advantage of potential price drops as the newer model approaches. It still offers excellent performance, a great camera system, and the benefits of USB-C and the dynamic island. Wait for the iPhone 16 if you prioritize having the absolute latest technology, the potential for significant camera upgrades and performance enhancements, and are willing to wait a bit longer and likely pay a premium.